Chính sức bên xiêm cỡ hai bên ai soi tan tôi borba benda yo ya do no ki khôn salaวันนำพาเจสีบอกบาเชเคอามาโนยากีบานเซนาเดบันดูไอโอนาเดบันดูไอตั้งชะมีSức đến xiêm cơn hai bên ai na đêm bạn điều ai ô na đêm bạn điều ai đang chăm mi trái ngăn thai chính sức đến xiêm cơn hai bên ai Sim gada na debat duai o na debat duai tang shami trai ngan pai jing sung men sim cơn hai bên ai Thank you so much.
Kublai pi barok hakani ka wall HD bat harangkat ka pamphlet ban job ya jing pen vit bat nan pen kala dor ya ka kom ai jing sumat ya ka jing package tongin kan mam ba ka HIV tam dei ka daw bangin yo lat ban lor ni yelo yang Henry ban pen sing tho ya ka jing kan ben ya ki bandon ya yang HIV ka dei ka nong shul posisha Nakapat ipi barok, bagi man mi syarat pan tes, lada pedang kam semua, kalau kian jenguk, bat katreika, dah kajing di iau kawai ARP man semua, iba non HIV gila man Islam, kilong iba kuat dunia, bat iba job hal kajing ini pun terlebih bat, kongka, hal kaban umau bat rakyat yang kami World AIDS Day, Yinje ya kajing para bring om da kajing ibe bat min yang kat bat beriu tiba in bat HIV engkar lang ngin la bat benput yang AIDS Meghalaya Kublai Shibun Metela and thank you. Hello everyone, on this World AIDS Day and with the theme overcoming disruption, transforming the AIDS response. Let us remember that HIV is never a reason to judge anyone, but to understand that the stigma is the reality. I urge everyone to come forward for testing. If you need treatment, it is free, effective, and it works. With regular ART medicine, people can live long, healthy, and successful normal life. So, as we observe World AIDS Day, let us choose acceptance over discrimination and stand with every person living with HIV. Together, we can end AIDS in Meghalaya. Kublai Shibon, Methela, and thank you.
On this World AIDS Day, with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, my heart goes out to the most fragile voices in our state, our women, our mothers, and our children. Today, more than 500 children in Meghalaya are living with HIV. They are not statistics. They are the little hands wanting to write their future, little hearts that dream, and little lives that deserve every chance to grow with joy and dignity. But stigma closes doors. Silence hurts more than the virus. No mother should ever fear protecting her child. I appeal to every woman, please come forward for testing. A simple test can save a mother's life and a child's life. Treatment is free, safe, and effective. With regular ART, children can run.
Hello. Guys, we'll still be having activities. Right? We're not going to make the program boring because I know the official is a little bit for you all. So tea is being provided right now. Lunch will also be provided.
Dear you,
all right?
Today,
Can we pause the video, please? So we'll be having activities, like I said, and you know you come for an HIV/AIDS program. You always know that we have goodies, right? So we'll be having an awareness program again where I'll be asking questions, and whoever wins gets what? Goodies. Alright. So in the meantime, you've been sitting here since about like 10ish or whatsoever, so tea was quite packed. So anyway, I think we have a performer right now who's going to perform. Ellie.
But the
Alright, so we'll be having a performer right now. So after the performance, maybe we will conduct those various activities. And I request all the members of the Integrated Health Campaign to remain here in the auditorium because we'll be giving away the certificates. Memorial, contact your IHC team. How many of you have actually come by buses like from your institute? I think one of you, not all of you, one person from the nursing institute will come and meet our accountant, Kyrwoh. So you can sign the actual pay receipt. If you can do that now, it'll be much more better. Okay? So it'll just be outside.
chop.
Check, check, hello, check. A very good afternoon to all. The song I'm going to be giving out to you right now is called That's What Friends Are For. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and see, and try to keep the words today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And by the way, I thank you. And then, when the times when we're apart, these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me, for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Thank you. This next song's called Nothing's Gonna Change My Love for You. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You won't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share with you. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Thank you.
Every student, please come inside the hall because the lunch will be served in your respective seats.
Or like what my colleague here said, everyone please gather inside the auditorium because the lunch will be served in your respective places. For members of the integrated health campaign, you can go, I mean not now, in the next room. Or can you get your friends and colleagues inside, please? Okay, while everyone is gathering inside, so we have these bags to give away. I mean, more or less for free. But for that, like, I've got questions and then you've got to give me answers, correct answers. Okay. So, what have you learned in today's program? I mean, anything new? Okay, time for some awareness. Very quickly, I won't make it easy. I'm not going to ask you questions on what is HIV or what is AIDS. Everybody knows that. Whoever raises their hands very fast gets either a tote bag or we have keychains as well. When was the first case of HIV detected in India? There are too many hands. I said one of you will have to come. That's a little bit far from me there. You can scream. Can you scream from there? So I'll divide this bag into half because he said 19 and you said 86. One of you. I thought my next question would be where, but you already answered, like, 1986 in Tamil Nadu. So I'll give you a bag. Because since you also answered, I'll give you a keychain. Okay. We've been talking today, right, about HIV and AIDS and the prevalence of HIV in Meghalaya. Manobalaban when you're doing Meghalaya kawan pakat no ali India in terms of wrong question. So he's jawab but wrong question because I know everybody will know. But what about how in terms of prevalence again in Northeast India? Meghalaya comes in what number? Someone will say third, someone will say second, someone will say first. Somebody Google. What position we in?
Fourth position.
Exactly. So you want a tote bag or I'll carry this with me, I think. Tote bag. Take this over and then you away for the I can take number to be different but take a plan to have it to 70. Okay, fine. In our program, we allow you to cheat. Everybody's laughing. Okay, I'll just come to that. See, in Meghalaya, 80% of the prevalence is amongst the general population, meaning from heterosexual sex. Alright? But I'm not talking about that kind of cheating. I'm talking about if I'm going to be asking questions, you can just take out your mobile phones and cheat. And we don't encourage cheating just in our program, just so that you would know. Okay? So, when was the National AIDS Control Program started in? Salim or Shaw? 1987. I heard something from here. I mean, are you confident about that or are you just guessing? Google? You've Googled or ChatGPT? You've Googled. Okay, very smart. So, I'll just throw it to you. So, the National AIDS Control Program started in the year 1992. Okay? Now, let's just go to the very basic questions. Why is it like I somehow feel like the hall is like, becoming empty? I think the rest don't want much. If you have your colleagues, somewhere outside, just please give them a call. Earlier again, here in the auditorium. Okay, fine. But how many of you actually see we have? You can actually this stage out here. We can use it as an expressive stage also. Any one of you can actually come perform. Anyone want to perform? Sing, dance, recite a poem. Anyone wants to sing? Anybody wants to dance? Or I just request from the sound guys, production team, if the TV can be removed. The TV. Anybody who wants to perform? Okay, we'll just go back to questions then. You all know there are 4 modes of transmission, right? Who can give me at least 2 modes?
Unprotected sex, then childbirth.
What do you mean by unprotected sex?
If they do not use protective during sexual, then they can also.
I'm still looking for a term. Actually, in our program, there is a term that we use. Okay, but I'll still give you a bag. Whose bag is this? Alright, she said unprotected sex, but the term we're looking at, unprotected sex with an infected partner. And of course, when you said childbirth, it's from an infected pregnant mother to her unborn child. Please remember very clearly the term infected. So, keychain pun numjak sabina, tak kepala kepala pun kepala terai. Okay. What about the other 2 modes of transmission? You already got a bag, man. Give somebody else a chance. You already got a bag. She said from blood transfusion and sharing of needles, meaning from infected blood or blood products again, and infected needles and syringes. Back. Alright, remember there's just 4 modes of transmission of HIV. 1, it's through unsafe sex or unprotected sex with an infected partner. 2nd is from infected blood or blood products. 3rd is from infected needles and syringes, and the 4th is from an infected pregnant mother to her unborn child. And since I think all of you are 18 years and above, any below 18 or 15 or 16? Okay, everybody is 18 years and above. So now, when we talk about preventive measures, when we talk about unprotected sex, what should we do?
Using of condoms.
Look at them the way they're looking at me and with the answer. Of course, it's by using condoms, alright? Because in our program we have to talk about it. And let me tell you, this generation right now, it's very, very sexually active. So please use a condom. And who can tell me, condom why cannot the leak how many protections does a condom gives? At this rate, I'll be losing more weight. Can you just shout for that? Oh, she's coming. Exactly, from HIV, from sexually transmitted infection, and from unwanted pregnancies. Everybody knows about it. And of course, when we're talking about blood and blood products, if you donate blood or have to receive blood, Lalu pick up macam senam, dan ai senam. Pihak lek check kita ke center. Which centers do you go to? I scream. Lunch is on the way. I know you kind of feeling. Even I'm feeling weak. Blood bank, okay fine. But now they're not called blood banks. They're called blood centers, licensed blood centers. All right, give her. I think somebody from the other end should be there. Okay, so remember, like if you need blood, or if you want to donate blood, do so only in a licensed blood center. Okay. Now, we go to infected needles and syringes. What do we do?
Dispose them after every use.
Are you talking about needles in general or just in the HIV aspect of it?
In general, for everyone.
We have to actually dispose it in a proper way, alright? So I'll give you that. I'll give you the bag. It's right there in front of you. Okay, when it comes to our program, right? When we're talking about the risk reduction strategies, especially amongst injecting drug users or female injecting drug users, we have what is called the needle syringe exchange program, where we give syringes to drug users. So my question to you right now, particularly jong IP matagalong, lading ay kita ternia inject, ni pensulur na ni mutkum na. Pensulur, okay. Somebody said we are encouraging nana kalian. Pensulur. Somebody said something here.
To control the infection.
The needle syringe exchange program is to control the spread of HIV amongst injecting drug users so that they don't share needles. And please remember this, that we are not giving the syringes to each and every injecting drug users, only to the chronic cases. Remember that. Okay. Back keychain, back keychain. Okay. Now, the other mode of transmission, the last mode of transmission, like from an infected pregnant mother to her child. You already raised your hands. So let's see what answers.
I think there is one more transformation. Saloons using the laser infected person. So I think there is a treatment. She should consult to the doctor or go for a abortion.
I'll give you that. Oh, you want to clap? Okay, well, let's see what the answer is.
This transmission is called as vertical transmission, like from the mother to the fetus, and this can be prevented in prenatal care during the pregnancy of the mother, and HIV vaccines can be given to them.
Exactly. So now the government has made it mandatory, right? Remember this, mandatory that all pregnant mothers have to be screened for HIV and syphilis. Kalau permika सरकार तक सस्कुला बा बरो किलो के में की बात में कि हाथ पर screen जगह HIV और जगह syphilis. Kenapa lagi kita jika long में tidak ada kita akan report bahkan sedang jika treatment. Alright, so it's mandatory for all pregnant mothers to get screened for HIV and syphilis. So once the mother is found to be HIV reactive or syphilis reactive, she will be put on treatment so that her baby won't get infected. I'll still give you a back door because it matches your good. सामने में रखा है फिर. Okay. Whoa, it's almost 2 hours. Hungry? I'll do this. Stay put. We'll play some videos, right? I go check on the food. We bring the food. Done. Then we eat food quickly. Then we have so much more fun because football tournament also is going to happen in the evening. Alright. So enjoy. I won't say enjoy this day because it's not about enjoyment. All come on yourselves. Like if like I said earlier, before the food comes, you can actually come on stage. You can give a speech also, like you've heard Minister speak, you've heard Abidi speak. I would want some of you to actually give a speech. Anybody who would actually, because see, we have to inculcate in you all the importance of testing, right? Everybody knows this. How many of you have actually ever tested for HIV? Not a single one. Okay, fine. Those who have raised their hands, I'll come back to you in a while. Each and every one of you, I'll be asking this question, why you got tested. Alright, so in the meantime, please play some videos and then I'll go look if the lunch is ready.
Dear youth, today, the biggest risk we face is not just HIV, but the choices that lead to it. Drug use, especially injecting drugs, brings danger, disruption, and lifelong consequences. This World AIDS Day, with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, let us choose a safer path. Say no to drugs. Protect your body, your future, and your dreams. If you or a friend needs help, support is available. Confidential, free, and without judgment. Choose strength. Choose life. Together, we can build a drug-free, HIV-free Meghalaya. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Youth are the strength of Meghalaya. This World AIDS Day, under the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, our role is more important than ever. We the youth must choose courage. Courage to speak the truth, to break stigma, and to get tested. HIV testing is free, treatment is free, and support is within reach. What we need is action. Let us stand with our friends, our classmates, and our communities. When youth lead with awareness and compassion, we transform the AIDS response. Together, we can protect our generation and build a Meghalaya with zero stigma and zero new infection.
Kublai Kyrwoh, Neliang Yonga, Kamu Health Minister Yongpi. Hakanika World AIDS Day, Wa appeal, Yapin, Pajma, Wa Kajingile, Wa the new Jumpang HIV, Talk Kajingile, Wa Kanika stigma, Ko M, Ko Penting. Ya I paramu. Ini tidak na apilo kecing krelang. Wong hoi you ready. Ya kini QM HIV. Dewa wan sumartista. Dewa di evadawai mangasni. Ye QM. Normally kamu ibito. Ye QM HIV kia. Ye im kamu kamu QM. Ini tidak makni kawal instate sacisin. Na tempat hoye kipanba. Wong ye krelang. But come to the appeal, you want to man, you test the day, but who him when you sumar, woman, Mungana, plan ejibon begini ikan such as a kublai jibon cheja.
Hello, one and all, a very good morning. On this World AIDS Day, we renew our commitment to a healthier Meghalaya. Sexually transmitted infections are not just medical issues, they are early warning signs. When we treat STI early, we protect ourselves, our partners, and we reduce the risk of HIV. But stigma still stops people from seeking help. Today, we must overcome that barrier. STI testing and treatment are free, confidential, and available in every district. A small step can prevent a lifetime of complications. Let us transform the AIDS response by acting early, treating early, and supporting one another. Your health is your power, and protecting it is our shared responsibility. Thank you.
On this World AIDS Day, we are making a promise, a stronger role for men in HIV response. Because when men come forward for testing, treatment and support, families become safer, communities become stronger, and stigma begins to break. Too often, silence keeps our fathers, brothers and sons away from health services. But today, we choose change. A simple HIV test can protect your partner, your children, and your future. This World AIDS Day, let us overcome silence, overcome stigma, and transform the AIDS response together. Men of Meghalaya, your participation is not just important, it is powerful. Let this be our promise. Stop AIDS, keep the promise.
Okay, so hello, my name is Memorial Kokai, and I'm the Cluster Prevention Officer. And I was one of the team members assigned to look after the Integrated Health Campaign this financial year. So regarding the Integrated Health Campaign, it is one of the strategies to actually where we target people who are most at risk, especially in a region where there's a high or medium burden of HIV and other infectious diseases. So this integrated health campaign has been conducted in collaboration with the district health and medical officer and of course the office of the Deputy Commissioner East Kasils district. We have started this campaign on the 9th of September 2025 and we are concluding it on the 29th of November 2025 with a duration of 3 months. So in this integrated health campaign, there are 2 camps. Basically, there's a static camp where there's a presence of a medical officer who's looking after other health services as well, because we're providing a variety of health services at the static camp. And then there's also an extended outreach where we have teams who includes the peer educators, the outreach workers, the community liaison for health workers. We also have the staff nurse and the lab technicians who go from door to door as well as to these hotspots or these locations where there are a lot of high-risk activities happening. So we have conducted a total of 28 integrated health campaigns and we have covered about 139 sites. These sites are the locations where we go for the extended outreach camps. A total of 6,882 individuals were screened for HIV and syphilis. And from these, we have a total of 24 people who were confirmed for HIV, and we have 101 people who are confirmed, who are reactive to syphilis. In relation to TB screening, we have done a 4S screening, that is verbal screening, where we have inquired the people in relation to cough, fever, night sweats and weight loss. So we have screened about 6,139 people. And there are 222 people who are symptomatic to these. However, after confirmation, we have 0 cases of TB.
think the integrated health campaign has been beneficial because we are bringing the testing to the comforts of the people. Also, we are initiating early detection as well as the fittest to treatment. So, so far our journey we have encountered challenges, yes, and the main challenges were that there's still stigma in relation to HIV and AIDS. Of course, we face challenges also because there's very limited awareness among the people regarding HIV and AIDS, and then we also face, we have logistical challenges, especially in reaching out to remote areas. And despite these challenges, we are continuing to collaborate with the different departments, especially the health department, and with the government, and then with our NGOs and community partners. Our focus ahead is to strengthen our follow-up mechanism and improving the awareness of the people, and also we want to continue the integrated outreach so that our vulnerable population will be able to access timely testing and treatment.
Blay Pibarok, happening a World AIDS Day, but harangkat a pamphlet, but job yak jing convit, but man penkela doria kerukom ai jing sumat yak jing packets. Tongin kenmau bak HIV tam day kan daw bangin yola pan lorni yenoyen. Henry man pen singapore ya ka jing ban ben ya kibadon ya yang HIV kadai kanong shul pesisha. Nakapat ipi baro bakin man mil syakmat pantes ladang idan kami semua kalau klen jinggut pat katreka da kajing di yau kawai ARV man tesu kiba don HIV kila pan Islam kilong kiba kuat kiba kia pat kiba jok ha kajing hin kung tuwe pat kung ta ha kapan kenal pat rakyat ya kami World AIDS Day. Yin ya kajing ay para bring om da kajing ibe. Pat yin buka pat ibreu tiba in pat HIV. Lengkap lang yin la pat berkut yang AIDS Meghalaya. Kublai Shibon Metela, and thank you. Hello everyone. On this World AIDS Day and with the theme overcoming disruption, transforming the AIDS response. Let us remember that HIV is never a reason to judge anyone, but to understand that the stigma is the reality. I urge everyone to come forward for testing. If you need treatment, it is free, effective, and it works. With regular ARV medicine, people can live long, healthy, and successful normal life. So, as we observe World AIDS Day, let us choose acceptance over discrimination and stand with every person living in HIV. Together, we can end AIDS in Meghalaya. Kublai Shibon, Methala, and thank you.
On this World AIDS Day, with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, my heart goes out to the most fragile voices in our state, our women, our mothers, and our children. Today, more than 500 children in Meghalaya are living with HIV. They are not statistics, they are the little hands wanting to write their future, little hearts that dream, and little lives that deserve every chance to grow with joy and dignity. But stigma closes doors. Silence hurts more than the virus. No mother should ever fear protecting her child. I appeal to every woman, please come forward for testing. A simple test can save a mother's life and a child's life. Treatment is free, safe and effective. With regular ART, children can run, can learn, laugh and live like any other child. Together, we can protect our families and end AIDS in Meghalaya. Thank you.
Dear youth, today the biggest risk we face is not just HIV, but the choices that lead to it. Drug use, especially injecting drugs, brings danger, disruption, and lifelong consequences. This World AIDS Day, with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, let us choose a safer path. Say no to drugs. Protect your body, your future, and your dreams. If you or a friend needs help, support is available, confidential, free, and without judgment. Choose strength, choose life. Together, we can build a drug-free, HIV-free Meghalaya. Thank you.
Hi everyone, youth are the strength of Meghalaya. This World AIDS Day, under the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, our role is more important than ever. We the youth must choose courage. Courage to speak the truth, to break stigma and to get tested. HIV testing is free, treatment is free and support is within reach. What we need is action. Let us stand with our friends, our classmates and our communities. When youth lead with awareness and compassion, we transform the AIDS response. Together, we can protect our generation and build a Meghalaya with zero stigma and zero new infection.
Kumlay Kyrwoh, Nilian Yonga, Kamu Health Minister Yongpi. Hakani ko World AIDS Day. Wa appeal, yapil, paiba. Wa kajingile, wa the new jimpang HIV. To kajingile, wa kanika stigma, ko ko penting, ya I parang. Nite daw na apilo kajingile lang. Wong oi mo bedi, ya kini yo HIV. Dewa wan semua artista, dewa di yang rawai mangasni, ye fiu normally kau im begitu. Ye fiu yo isa ikhya, ye pi im kau im tu bol. Nete jauh makani kau World AIDS Day sacisin, na tempat ye kipan ba, kau ye keren lah. But kau jole wapi lo, yo wan cikmat, yo tes ye lagi, but mungkin yang cik sumar, kau man non kena klaim cik tu. Jadi ini such as if
Hello, one and all, a very good morning. On this World AIDS Day, we renew our commitment to a healthier Meghalaya. Sexually transmitted infections are not just medical issues, they are early warning signs. When we treat STI early, we protect ourselves, our partners, and we reduce the risk of HIV. But stigma still stops people from seeking help. Today, we must overcome that barrier. STI testing and treatment are free, confidential, and available in every district. A small step can prevent a lifetime of complications. Let us transform the AIDS response by acting early, treating early, and supporting one another. Your health is your power, and protecting it is our shared responsibility. Thank you.
On this World AIDS Day, we are making a promise, a stronger role for men in the HIV response. Because when men come forward for testing, treatment and support, families become safer, communities become stronger, and stigma begins to break. Too often, silence keeps our fathers, brothers and sons away from health services. But today, we choose change. A simple HIV test can protect your partner, your children and your future. This World AIDS Day, let us overcome silence, overcome stigma and transform the AIDS response together. Men of Meghalaya, your participation is not just important, it is powerful. Let this be our promise. Stop AIDS, keep the promise.
Okay, so hello, my name is Memorial Kokai and I'm the Cluster Prevention Officer. And I was one of the team members assigned to look after the Integrated Health Campaign in this financial year. So regarding the Integrated Health Campaign, it is one of the strategies to actually where we target people who are most at risk, especially in a region where there's a high or medium burden of HIV and other infectious diseases. So this Integrated Health Campaign has been conducted in collaboration with the District Health and Medical Officer and of course the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Wales District. We have started this campaign on the 9th of September 2025 and we are concluding it on the 29th of November 2025 with a duration of 3 months. So in this Integrated Health Campaign, there are 2 camps. Basically, there's a static camp where there's a presence of a medical officer who's looking after other health services as well, because we're providing a variety of health services at the static camp. And then there's also an extended outreach where we have teams who includes the peer educators, the outreach workers, the community liaising for health workers. We also have the staff nurse and the lab technicians who go from door to door as well as to these hotspots or these locations where there are a lot of high-risk activities happening. So we have conducted a total of 28 integrated health campaigns and we have covered about 139 sites. These sites are the locations where we go for the extended outreach camps. A total of 6,882 individuals were screened for HIV and syphilis, and from these we have a total of 24 people who were confirmed for HIV, and we have 101 people who are confirmed, who are reactive to syphilis. In relation to TB screening, we had done a 4S screening, that is verbal screening, where we had acquired the people in relation to cough, fever, night sweats and weight loss. So we have screened about 6,139 people. And there are 22 people who are symptomatic of the people, and also we want to continue the integrated outreach so that our vulnerable population will be able to access timely testing and treatment.
Mulai Kyrwoh, hakani ko World AIDS Day, but harangkat pamdek, but job ya kijing penvit, but pentelah duria ke hukum ai jeng sumar ya kijing AIDS. Tongin penmau wak HIV amdai kan dau, bangin yolat panlor ni yenoyen. Andre man pensung tu ya kijing penvit ya kibadon ya HIV, kadai penong shul pesisha. Kepat yang Kyrwoh, bagaimana min syamat pantes lada kidan kami semua kalau kian jenggut pat katreka. Dah kejeng di yang awai ARV mandiskan. Iba don HIV kila dan Islam kilo iba kuat iba kia pat iba job ha kejeng ini untuk pat. Unta ha kabar umma pat rakyat yang kami World AIDS Day. Minjit ya kejing para beri om dah kejing ini. Pat yang dekat pat beri tiba ini pat HIV. Kan lang, ngin la pagpipot ya AIDS ang Meghalaya. Shillong Mail and thank you. Hello everyone. On this World AIDS Day, and with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, let us remember that HIV is never a reason to judge anyone, but to understand that the stigma is real. I urge everyone to come forward for testing. If you need treatment, it is free, effective, and it works. With regular ART medicine, people can live long, healthy, and successful normal life. So, as we observe World AIDS Day, let us choose acceptance over discrimination and stand with every person living in HIV. Together, we can end AIDS in Meghalaya. Shillong Mail and thank you.
On this World AIDS Day, with the theme Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response, my heart goes out to the most fragile voices in our state.
Got me on my knees, I'm desperate, can't you see? No, I don't wanna be, no, I don't wanna be compared anymore. You got me to the floor, and I'm so freaking tired. So lead me to a door where I can get up. Macam pula itu bering, yang carum seneng dok yo bisa syukur lah kembang dan masling. Tapi jauh ke sore kita kan bawa. Jangan jauh lah sore pasang penyaji mengirai. Wah halah kami, gua shumai banding kumdia. Kata kerang ia yang hau, gua bagi kirim lah dia. Mereka kami kejubah, gua autos lagi pun. Mampai tahu bang wak muni kiwe kidang pun. Atau wat arah tension yang kajing em lah dia apa hidang babi. Tentu putaran isin tapi dah kaman tak kelapa mut tak pasal lau play baron ni tak sisi yang tuat terlem ke was story tapi untuk play apa kelak kita tak kita tunjuk play lah ayah biar kah berpasi syaban yo hajing so sing jejak pikir ni emang pasal belang tak si bisa. This feeling's got me loose, I don't know what to do, don't know why I'm so used to you. Addiction spare me please, you got me on my knees. I'm desperate, can't you see? I don't wanna be, no, I don't wanna be your puppet anymore. You got me to the floor, and I'm so freaking tired. Someone lead me to a door where I can get out of it. I might be weak, but God knows I won't give up so easily. I won't get defeated. I'm sure I will recoup the flow. I'll find a door where I can get out of it. This feeling's got me loose, I don't know what to do, don't know why I'm so used to you. Addiction spare me please, you got me on my knees. I'm desperate, can't you see? No, I don't wanna be, no, I don't wanna be your puppet anymore. You got me to the floor, and I'm so freaking tired. Someone lead me to a door where I can get out of it. Thank you. Okay, the last song is called Where's the Love. I know all of you know this song. Please sing along with me. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world
finding pieces of love that don't belong. Nation dropping bombs, chemical gases filling lungs of little ones with ongoing suffering. As a youth, the young, so you can ask yourself, is the love really gone? So I can ask myself, really what is going wrong in this world that we living in? People keep on giving in, making wrong decisions on the visions of indifference, respecting each other, deny our brother. A war's going on, but the reason undercover. The truth is kept secret, it's weapons of the world. If you never know truth, then you never know love. Is the love your cup? I don't know, is it truth? Yeah, come on. People killing, people dying, children hurt and hear them crying. Did you practice what you preach? Would you turn the other cheek? Father, help us, and some guidance from above. As people got me questioning, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Feel the weight of the world on your shoulder. As I'm getting older, yeah, it gets colder. Wasn't for some to care about money making, selfishness, gotta following the liberation. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is a main criteria, infecting the young mind, passing their bacteria. Kids wanna echo what I see, it is in my way. Whatever happened to the balance of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we spreading animosity. Like the forest down leading us away from unity. There's no reason why sometimes we're feeling under. There's no reason why sometimes we're feeling down. There's no wonder why sometimes we're feeling under. Gotta keep a faith alive till love is found. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love. Can you please clap your hands? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Father, help us, and some guidance from above. Those people got me questioning, where is the what you say? Where is the love? The love. One more time. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? The love, the love. Thank you, thank you.
children in Meghalaya are living with HIV. They are not statistics. They are the little hands wanting to write their future. Little hearts that dream.
Did you have fun with the performances? This side I can hear a little bit more louder because I think you had food. That side, what happened? No food is here. I haven't had food either. I'm going to get gastritis later by the end of the day. So anyways, food is on the way. It's on the way. It's just like climbing up right now. Not by itself, in a vehicle. Here they are the performers. I think it's a mixture of all the three tribes of Meghalaya. Can somebody from Max remove the table, please? Is this from NIPMT? NIPMT, alright. So please, a round of applause for the student from NIPMT. Representing the three tribes of Meghalaya, Khasi, Jaintia and Kyrwoh. Take it away. Also, members of the integrated campaign, please don't go anywhere. We'll be distributing the certificates in a short while. Music ready? Okay, in 1, 2, and 3.
Sa boy shala kapong Managing ekipan Kunin ang tugsyakan Wajukin randi Namada shisha Bukidod haunte Lemjing na taki Boy, Kyrwoh, Kyrwoh, Rakanian kang tu amin sa sonde Wala fiya sa kronian na menjareka Sa Asia dungja cintang kagara cipacem Wane ronge miya mesti demo cipacem Rakanian kang tu amin sa sonde Wala fiya sa kronian na menjareka Sa Asia dungja cintang kagara cipacem Wane ronge miya mesti demo cipacem
Another round of applause, please, for the students of the camping. Kyrwoh Mitra. Alright, now we just move on to another session of the second part of the program as part of World AIDS Day. We are going to be giving away the certificates for the participation of the Integrated Health Campaign members, those who've been involved in the Integrated Health Campaign. That was held since September until November 2025. So I'd like to request Dr. Kyrwoh, Project Director, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, to kindly give away the certificates. I'd like to call upon Mayal Shantru. Mayal Shantru. Alright, this is a little bit difficult. Lal Nai Zwali Chak Chuan. Violet Kyrwoh. Violet Kyrwoh, Melody Vaipe. Shimti Hunlangs Emle. Shimti Hunlangs Emle. Tinya Marine Dingdo and Jenny Darling. Tinya's not there. Jenny Darling. Next is Dimas Sanglin. James Pade. Sandy Longbet. Sandy Longbet. Banker Karnayor. Banker Karnayor. Planning Star Borshilla. Manish Thapa. Damanlang India. Please, a round of applause for all of them. In fact, we have to clap some more because there's still a lot of certificates to be given. Bohon Ankriya. Richard Nongrum. Richard Nongrum. Sudhano Raman. Sudhano Raman. Kevin Derek Dahad. I request if you know each other, like who's absent, kindly somebody represent collecting the certificate for them. Kevin Derek Dahad. Banker Karnayor. Anyone who knows Banker? Planning Star Bonshila. Anyone who knows Planning Star Bonshila? And Bahunang Kriyam. Anyone from Manba? Manba IDU who can collect on the behalf? Gitu Thapa. Balarisha Nongrum. Laris Singli. Alka Thapa. Dolly Marbunyang, Omar Sharing, Rista Mary Nongrum, Rista Mary Nongrum, but I Pinsuklang Wanya. Ithelda Kharpuri. Ithel, Pachim Mapi ne बताएगी. Lingba Jingshai Nongri. Veronica Shilla. Veronica Shilla. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to call upon Dr. Chandru, District Tuberculosis Officer and District AIDS Control Officer for East Castles District to give away the remaining of the certificates. Rafika Rani. Nyoki Dakhar. Okay, a nodal officer will be collecting on their behalf. Raf inside certificate what you say. Nyoki Dakhar. Anybody who knows him or her? Okay, they're only. Valerie Nongla. Sani Karsati. Marvin Worsley. Monisha Nongla. Ritmending Wanya. Virgil Suchan. Ephesus Damien Yaubor. Wanda Resalimba. Sophia Nongse. Wansabi Shankula. Wansabi, in the meantime, I think food has arrived. So those who haven't received the food, please raise your hand so they'll know who to give the food to. Ibala Silver Lindo Mopla. Vanessa Lamare. Ivory Nongse. Ivory Nongse, you once were. You once were? Parasha Yaupnya. I think one can Yaupnya to collect this on this point to be out. Mercy Joy Muru. Cheerful Kongna. Now I'd like to call upon Dr. Lamare, DT1 Darko from East and West Angeles District, to give away the certificate for Yaikrim and Swear. Rafael Sandra Mauri. Rafael Sandra Mauri. Ibawan Pensuk Dhaba. Rikanti Marbanyan. Rikanti Marbanyan. Heaviness Star Maukon. Rightfist Star Maukon. Shai Colin Cookie. Shai Colin Cookie. Parajit Harkumar. Thank you, Doctor. I'd now like to call upon Mrs. Fairley, Deputy Director of Finance, to kindly give away the remaining certificates. Please collect your certificate, Kerry Nelson's Naita. George Shabon. George Shabon. Naipon Pilar Marwen. Ibari Shashirkon. Ibari Shashirkon. Shirkon. Iri Makatoy. Margaret Hall. Margaret Hall. Marble C. Shangdiar. Gwyneth Khongnam. Gwyneth Khongnam. Banrilam Nagmon. Banrilam Nagmon. Marthalin Karnayor. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'd now like to call upon Dr. Elmer Thong, Deputy Director, Medical Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, to give away the remaining of the certificates. Please collect your certificates. Jean-Marie Giroux, Jean-Marie, I've gone totally French. Jean-Marie, Evelyn Macdo, Pinbyang Darthi Rapsang. Cherry Dora Kyuso. Joy Banu Dorma. Michael Marco. Diamond Beyond. Rimon Pariong. And last but not the least, Danang Kirsoi Kharsati. Alright, one more time, round of applause for all the members of the Integrated Campaign. One more time, we don't want you all to go without food. Those who got the food, please raise your hands. What? You haven't received? This is not that. I said those who haven't received the food packet. Everybody got read? Happy? Should we continue? Or do you want to go? Continue. Then if this continues, we're taking you all to JN Stadium. No, I'm just kidding. It's entirely up to you. Anyways, I request the representatives from all the nursing schools who came by bus to kindly meet Komalam. Komalam, please stand up. Just stand up so they don't know you too. She's the lady in blue. Please meet her for your bus's POL. Okay, so before we go to the fun part, like learning more, I request all the IHC members to kindly come forward for a photo session. And all the Dakos and first, please, all the members of the IHC. Once again, requesting the representatives of the nursing schools to kindly please meet Komala. With no offense, I think the short one should go in front and the taller one should go to the back. It's not necessary to squeeze all over here, you can go that side as well. Guys, move a little bit that side. Nangneru pitangla, you did stay there. Stay. You people, you should have. Listen. Nodal officer, please. As of right now, it's a happy moment because you've done a commendable job for the last 3 months. Smiley face, please. Smile.
Actually, can film.
So, anybody who wants to come and perform again? Anyone? Okay, just a few more questions. I think most probably we might wind up by 3:30 because we have to go get ready. Like, not us get ready, we have to go prepare in GN Stadium as well. Very quick question. When talking about HIV and AIDS, When was it first observed in the world? One of you. Now, somebody said 1988 from here. 1981. 1988. What did I say earlier about using your smartphones? Cheap. 1981. I said, when was World AIDS Day first observed in the world? 1980. Galat jawab. Away, we provided you food. Some of you have got prizes from us. What did I say about using your mobile? Cheat. 1981 was the first case. I'm talking about World AIDS Day. When was it first officially observed in the world? 1st December 1988. Anybody else? Where's John? I'm getting confused. Are you sure? Is it 1988? Okay, fine. Why don't you open your smartphones? Let's just check. Because sometimes Google might put the wrong information as well. Okay. I was just testing all of you because I really wanted to see how you use your mobile phone. I'll go back to the lady there. You said? You forgot which year you said also. You said 1981, right? Okay. Wrong answer. Somebody said 1988. No. It was the second here. Alright, one more time for everyone to hear. Are you sure about the date? Not 1st November. Okay, it is 1988, so do you want a tote bag or do you want a t-shirt? Sure. More or less the same design, but nonetheless. At least this will keep you warm. See, this is what when you come to our program, you learn, you gain more knowledge, and also we give you 3 years. And when we were talking, our Honorable Health Minister has spoken about testing. If you want to know your HIV status, which center do you go to? ICU? No, I mean ICU, that you said I see something. But what is it? What is the center?
ICTC Center.
Can you give us a full form?
It's integrated a counseling screening. It's integrated counsel testing center.
Okay, do you want a bag or do you want a total? This bag? The bag. Okay. Maybe also huh? Alright, so the integrated counseling and testing center where you get your counseling and your testing free of course. Alright. Now, if you paid attention to what the speakers today spoke about, right? After testing, if a person is found to be HIV positive or ART will give you 1 bag, you divide that into 3. Okay, so I'll come there, right? With the bag. Where are the bags? Oh. So we'll give them 1 each. In Meghalaya, Which districts comes under the high prevalence? That was a question for me, not for you to answer to get these bags. I just wanted to know in general. Because I know you'll be mentioning all of that, I just wanted to test your knowledge. Okay, I'm also not that dumb. And, very, very quickly, who can give me the full form of STI? Okay, everybody knows that. And do you know that Meghalaya, Dr. correct me if I'm wrong, I think we're second in the country? Alright. STI, man. Difference. HIV prevalence will be number 6. When it comes to sexually transmitted infection, we are number 2. So, what does that mean? Does the term sexually transmitted infection, what does it mean?
Any infection which can transmit it sexually.
So that means people in Meghalaya are very sexually active. It's a fact. If you're laughing, either you haven't had sex or you've had, but you don't know about the ways and means to prevent yourself, but it's not a laughing matter anymore. Because being number 2 in the country, it's more or less like a shame for us. Alright, one question again, Mom. This is not a question answered over. How many of you are actually originally from Meghalaya? No, I want like... Okay, so majority are from Meghalaya. So this is the message to all of you, because our program actually targets the younger generation, right? Age group between 15 to 49 as well. The most productive and the most vulnerable. So which is why we encourage. We're not telling anybody not to have sex, it's not in our power. But if you do, please be faithful to your partner. Abstain from casual sex. Be faithful to your partner. And C, everybody knows. What is C? In our programs, we have A, B, C, right? Not A, B, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A is abstain from casual sex. B is be faithful to your partner. And what is C? What is C? Use condoms. Okay. This we need to inculcate in your mind. Yekito, I know some of you must be thinking, what is this man talking about? Like talking about nonsense, but it's the reality that is happening in Meghalaya. Which is why we inculcate in you, if it's not the right time, don't fall into peer pressure. Just because your friend has a girlfriend, you also have to have a girlfriend. Just because your friend has a boyfriend, doesn't mean you also have to have a boyfriend. Okay? And another thing I want to know, how many of you actually follow Meghalaya AIDS Control Society page on social media? Wow. Only a few. Why not? See, we have a lot of messaging happening in our social media. Like, every day. If you can go through reels of somebody dancing in the street, just go to Meghalaya AIDS Control Society page also once in a while. All the information is there. How if you just like open Instagram, just like for the fun of it, just to watch other people's reels? I know, in this room everybody does. Right? That's what I'm saying, like, sometimes open our page as well. Information is all there. Okay? So if you follow that page right now, fastest, fingers first, but how will I know, sir? Oh, okay, man. Buffy, our page is on, right? Okay, man. Now go. Like our page. You get tote bags from us. Because it'll pop up in our Instagram handles right now. Already? No network? Sad. Followed, okay. Already done? Okay, done. Tafi, I think we have about 3,800 and something. Oh, somebody knows it's 3,022. We want to cross the 4,020, 4,050 mark today. Alright, let's cross 34, 35, 36. Don't worry, it's not a kind of game, it's just like a fun game. So, 2 volunteers. Pass. Okay. We have 1. Okay, male. Somebody stood up from here. Okay. Bring your mobile. You don't have networking on your phone. It's a phone game. Yes, you need to bring your phone. It'll be nice if like a male and a female. What's your name?
My name is Atul.
Agnihotri?
Atul Kaushal.
To be an actor, actually, I just remember that. Which college or nursing school from?
I'm from Nia Shillong.
That's great. And you?
My name is Indarilin Chulen, and I'm from College of Nursing, Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital.
Right, that's awesome. Okay, so the game that I said that we're going to play, fastest fingers first. Is your phone on? You can switch off your Instagram right now. You too. Put your phone on dial mode. Yeah, I'm making it easier for you. Ready? All you have to do is dial 1097, and the fastest person who speaks to the operator there will win a prize. Put it on speaker. Listen, let him ask a few questions.
हेलो मैं शिलोंग से बात कर रहा हूँ सर.
राज्य कौन सा है?
मेघालय.
मेघालय. और एज बताना चाहेंगे?
My age is 25. Can we talk in English?
लाइन पर है, बात कराते हैं. लाइन पे बने रहेगा, कॉल डिस्कनेक्ट मत कीजिएगा.
Sure.
ठीक है? 1097 में कॉल के लिए धन्यवाद.
A round of applause for Apollo. He wins a prize from us. Do you want a t-shirt or a bag? Either one. I think I'll give you a t-shirt. Do you need an umbrella just in case it rains? No, it's fine. It's not going to rain. Alright, another thing. If you need more information on HIV and STI, please dial the number 1097. It's free, of course. Toll-free number. Okay? Everybody calling now? If everybody calls right now, the line will be jammed and you won't get through. Also, I'd like to mention here that we have a Khasi operator there. So if you feel that you don't want to speak in English, you can always speak to the Khasi operator. All right. So more questions or somebody to perform? I'm getting a little bit thirsty and hungry at the same time. Anyone wants to perform? A group also will do. Cool. Put your hands together for the students from Gordon Roberts Hospital, School of Nursing. Sound guys, I think we'll need microphones. They have to play the track, so you run through this track right to the sound production team. So please introduce yourself and exactly what you're going to be doing.
Second floor. Second floor.
Các bạn.
Second floor first.
Giờ thì đi lâu. Cái này không được.
Second floor, first floor. Hello? बोलो कितने के सामान है?
Đi qua đây nữa đây. Đây là cục cá nhân này nè.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. We are the students from College of Nursing Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital, Shillong, and the song that we're going to perform is Heal the World.
Another round of applause, please, for the students of the school from Roberts Hospital. Apparently, Michael Jackson is quite a hit today, huh? None of you are laughing. I mean, it's not a joke, but it's happening. So anyways, we've finally come to the end of today's observation of World AIDS Day 2025. So before you all leave, we just would like to request, like, if you haven't done your HIV test, we encourage you to know your HIV status. And also whatever you've learned in today's program, please let it not be just with yourself. Spread the word, spread the message. Stay safe,